Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to print hello world in csharp. First you need to install Visual Studio. Then you need to create a new project. After click the new project, go to Visual C# and Windows Desktop and click Console App. You can change your console app. I will change it Hello World. Then press OK. I already created. Press OK. After OK, you will see the coding window. You can type any coding here. So I will write a code for print hello world. First, system dot console dot out dot right line. We want to insert a string here, so I will type hello world. Then semicolon. Just I will start this output. It come and go, so I want to stop it, so I will type console.read. Then I will start. It will appear for a long time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.